Trendsetters, and welcome back to another video here with your girl Cammie. I'm just so happy to have you guys here, and today is gonna be so bomb because I am trying a do-it-yourself face toner, which I have the concoction right here. And according to the research that I've done, a lot of folks say that it helps brighten your skin. It also helps even out those dark tones and marks that you may have, and it also adds a little glow. And I love me some glow. I don't know about you, but I love me some glow. So you already know what the deal is. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Also hit that notification bell to be notified when the next video comes out, because we have so much content coming your way. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so you know I'm all about using products around your house, so you're gonna need an empty bottle, water, and apple cider vinegar, and some tissue. Not that much tissue though, just a little slither, okay? All right, so first you're gonna take an empty bottle and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pour your apple cider vinegar, which I have here, into it halfway. So I did it up until those ends of the stickers up there. I used that as my marker. Next, you're gonna pour the other half with water to dilute the overall mixture. You don't just want straight vinegar. And there you have it. So regular toner, it has damaging ingredients like alcohol, and that's why I wanted to try out this toner. Other benefits include restoring pH balance due to chemicals like soaps used on the face. So I went on and just shook it up. So my face is pretty moist. I do have combination skin, but as you can see, I have dark marks throughout my face and a little dark marks underneath my eyes. So I hope that this toner can help with eventually getting rid of these dark spots or dark marks and just have a little glow for your girl, you know? So with consistency, I hope that this will help. So as you can see right here, I went on and dipped my tissue into the vinegar, and I went on and tied my hair back so I can get all over in my face, and I made sure to go over my eyebrows as well, as you can see right here. So next, take the tissue paper. You can also use cotton pads and go ahead and apply the mixture throughout your face. Oh, and by the way, I did sting my eyes, so be very careful. I was trying to get my eyebrows, but it fell in there. But as you can see right here, it takes out extra dirt and pores. It takes out that makeup that normally cannot be washed with a face wash and makeup pads overall. So it clears all of that gunk out. And I noticed that the vinegar did not irritate and sting my face, which I thought it was at first. I moisturized after toning with that Aveeno, or you could use any kind of moisturizer. My skin felt clear. It also had a little sticky type feel, which felt really good actually to me. So that is it for this video, you all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to keep doing you, trendsetters, because you're all that and some.